students, how are you? Obviously, your answer will be fine. I hope you are all fine. And where are you? Generally, we teachers never ask you this question. हम कभी नहीं पूछते कि where are you? Because अब हमेशा हमारे सामने होते हो. But because of lockdown and corona, right now you are constantly listening that stay home and stay safe, right? So that's why right now maybe you are all in a safe condition, and right now where you are at your home, right? So right now you all are sitting at your home and listening to me. बट अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता, अगर कोरोना वायरस इंडिया में नहीं आया होता, तो शायद इस वक्त आप मेरे सामने होते. तो आप कहाँ होते? Probably you will be in your school, right? Now, suppose this is your house and this is your school. Now थोड़ा सा हम रिकॉल करते हैं. जब लॉकडाउन नहीं था आप स्कूल कैसे आते थे वो हम देखेंगे, राइट? सपोज दिस इज योर हाउस एट पोजीशन ए. सपोज आप यहाँ पर हैं और अगर आपको स्कूल आना है तो आप कैसे जाओगे? फ्रॉम ए टू बी, ओके, एंड फ्रॉम बी टू सी, बिकॉज एट सी द स्कूल इज देयर. So this is the journey, this is the path you will follow from A to B, B to C, right? Now what we are doing today, we are going to find out the distance. Okay, what is the distance? Distance from your house, from your home to your school is, let's see, suppose A to B, the distance is 4 kilometer, and from B to C, the distance is 3 kilometer. So what will be the actual distance? The distance will be 4 kilometer plus 3 kilometer, which is equals to 7 kilometer. So the distance is 7 kilometer. So what is the distance? Distance is the length of the path. Okay, the length of the path is the distance. So what will be the definition of distance? Let's see. The length of the actual path traveled by an object from one point to another is called distance. Okay, so now your path is A to B, B to C is the path you follow to reach the school. Now बहुत सारे और भी रास्ते होंगे आपके स्कूल पहुंचने के. Okay, so suppose your go from here and reach there, and this distance is, say for example, 11 kilometer. Okay, there may be some other path also. So with various different path you can use to reach the school. So there are so many paths you can follow. But if somebody asks you how far is the school, so how far is the school? In that case, listen it carefully. कितना दूर है आपका स्कूल? एग्जैक्टली कितना दूर है? Then this is the shortest straight and shortest distance, and this distance is 5 kilometer. So how far is A to C? Is 5 kilometer. Okay, how far is your school? from A to C or from your house to school, the shortest distance is 5 kilometer. Now the next thing is that suppose आप अगर अपने स्कूल वैन से जाते हो तो योर पाथ विल बी फ्रॉम A to B, then B to C. Like this you are going to reach your school. If your van use some other route, you will go from here and then you will reach the school. But suppose if it is possible, चलो suppose आपके पास एक प्लेन है और अगर पॉसिबल हुआ, अगर आपको प्लेन से स्कूल जाना हो, उस केस में क्या आप ऐसे करके जाओगे? व्हाट द प्लेन विल प्रेफर, क्योंकि प्लेन के पास कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, उस केस में द प्लेन विल गो स्ट्रेट. नाउ हियर इज योर प्लेन एट योर होम, बट unless you won't tell that where you have to go, if we decide that okay, with the help of a plane you have to travel how much distance, 5 kilometer, then can you decide where you have to go? No, unless you can mention, because अगर आप प्लेन पे बैठे हो तो 5 किलोमीटर यहाँ भी जा सकते हो. You can go here 5 kilometer, राइट. आप 5 किलोमीटर आप यहाँ भी जा सकते हो स्ट्रेट. ओके, सो व्हाट यू नीड, you need a specific direction. Are you getting this? You must know in which direction your school exists. Then only you will reach the school. Otherwise you will not reach. By traveling 5 kilometer you are not going to reach the school. So if you must know the direction, it is the displacement. Are you getting this? What is displacement? For displacement we need a distance plus direction. So distance is displacement. Displacement is distance plus direction. In this case, if it is in this way, north, south, east and west. Now according to this, your statement will be my school is 5 kilometer in which direction? In north-east direction. It is in a north-east direction. That means displacement is 5 kilometer. So for displacement we must know the direction. Now let's see the definition of the displacement. Displacement is the length of the shortest path traveled by an object between the starting and finishing points in a fixed direction. I hope you have understood today's topic. Now you can solve this question.